Is it a good thing to starve yourself for a day, or for few days of the week? Well, studies indicates that timed periods of fasting is actually good for your body. Fasting has been practiced for centuries and plays a central role in many cultures and religions. Fasting can be defined as to restrain yourself from all or some foods and drinks for a set period of time. There are many different ways of fasting, but generally most types of fasts are performed for a time period of 24 to 72 hours. In this video, we'll explain the 5 benefits of fasting which are backed by science and how you can incorporate them into your own life. 1. Prevent heart disease. Research has found that when it comes to heart health, incorporating fasting into your routine is beneficial for you. Heart disease is considered one of the leading causes of death around the world. Switching your diet and lifestyle is one of the most effective ways to reduce your risk of heart disease. One study found that 8 weeks of alternate day fasting reduced levels of bad cholesterol and blood triglycerides in the body. 2. Helps in weight loss. Through fasting you give your digestive system a rest, and this can energize your metabolism to burn calories more efficiently. Fasting can be a safe way to lose weight, as many studies have shown that intermittent fasting, which is a way of fasting that is controlled within a set number of hours, allows the body to burn fat cells more effectively as compared to just regular dieting. Intermittent fasting allows the body to use fat as its primary source of energy instead of sugar. 3. Fights inflammation. Research shows that inflammation may be involved in the development of chronic conditions such as heart disease, cancer and arthritis. While acute inflammation is a normal immune process used to help fight against infections, but chronic inflammation can have serious consequences on your health. Studies have found that fasting can help decrease levels of inflammation and help promote better health. 4. Improves your brain function. Fasting boosts the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor or BDNF, which has been shown to improve the functioning of brain. This protein activates brain stem cells to convert into new neurons and triggers numerous other chemicals that promote neural health. It also protects your brain cells from changes associated with Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. 5. Promotes blood sugar control. Several studies have found that fasting can improve blood sugar control, which could be especially useful for those at risk of diabetes. Decreased insulin resistance can increase your body's sensitivity to insulin, which allow it to transport glucose from your bloodstream to your cells more efficiently. Have you tried any type of fasting? Please share your experience with us in the comments. If you find this video informative, give it a like and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Here are some other videos you may like to watch. Thanks for watching.